First, let me educate you on what meditation means so that you understand. The formula for success is Joshua chapter 1 verse 8. That's the formula for success. Joshua chapter 1 verse 8. See, if you come to my room now, like now, if I'm on my laptop, first thing you hear is, I know my place. I know the place where I belong. That's what you hear. You know what I'm doing? Oh, you don't know. Let me tell you a story first. After I've told you the story, then I will explain what meditation is. One guy, man like that, and it's a real story. He wanted to join an occultic group. Therefore, they now told him that because the occultic group is not in his location, they now told him that they will send him a letter. That after they send him that letter, he should meditate upon the letter after reading it. That when he meditates upon the letter, something will come out. Something will come out of the letter and enter into him. Then he will be initiated. I said occult, right? And that's how he got the letter and he sat down in his room, folded his leg the way Stephanie is folded now. Because that's how they told you to do. He meditated on it. He said something like a creature, like a lion, came out of the paper, entered into him. He said that's how I started finding himself in different places. Where there's meeting, he will see himself there. He will vanish and appear there in the meeting. So imagine you're that person, you are doing competition of business. I know what to call you. You will not win. You will not win. You will not win. No. Meditation is in 3 levels. The first one is the one where you hear it and you think about it. You think about it. That's the first stage. You think about it. You just think about it. I know my place. I know the place where I belong. Do you really know where you belong? I'm asking myself because I'm thinking about it. Right? I'm thinking about it. Study to show yourself approved, like a workman that needs not to be ashamed. Study to show yourself approved. Have I studied before I'm trying to show myself? You want to show yourself? Have you studied? Okay, let me go and study first before I come and show myself. So I'm thinking about it. Study to show myself approved. Show myself approved. See a man that is diligent in his work. He shall not stand before mere men. Am I diligent? I need to be diligent in my work. I need to be diligent. So I'm thinking about it. I'm just saying it so you hear, but I'm thinking, I don't see it. That's the first stage of meditation. The second stage is called Hagar. That's the Greek word. So you mutter it. So you see Raymond. Nobody's around me. Or everybody's doing their own thing. Then you just spy me. Maybe we're in the office, you just see Raymond talking.